Hello everyone, our next part is 22.
Find all the zeros of the polynomial if two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. In this question, the degree of the polynomial is 4. So we know that degree 4. So maximum 4 zeros are possible. Two of them are given, that is root 2 and minus root 2. Now we have to find remaining two zeros. Now if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors of polynomial. Here in this question, the alpha is given, that is root 2, beta is also given, that is minus root 2. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors. So in this question, the factors will be x minus alpha and x minus beta. So x minus root 2 into x plus root 2. Why plus? Because x minus the beta is minus root 2, therefore the factor will be x plus root 2. This equation is of the form a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so this equation can be converted into x square minus root 2 square is equal to x square minus 2, as root 2 square will be 2. Now x square minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial, so we have to divide the polynomial by its factor, that is x square minus 2. Now we will divide the given polynomial, that is 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 by its factor, that is x square minus 2. Now we know that how to divide the polynomial. So okay, so for that, the first term of the dividend 2x raised to 4, divide first term of the dividend, that is 2x raised to 4 by the first term of the divisor, that is x square. We get 2x square. Now this is the first term of the quotient, 2x square. Now multiply the first term of the divisor with first term of the quotient, so we get 2x raised to 4. Now minus 2 into 2x square, it will be minus 4x square. Okay, minus 4x square can be written here below x square. Now change the sign, 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 will be 0. Now minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 4x square plus 4x square, now plus 6x and minus 2. Now this is our new dividend. Now divide the first term of the new dividend, that is minus 3x cube, by the first term of the divisor, that is x square. So we get minus 3x. This is the second term of the quotient, minus 3x. Now multiply x square into minus 3x, that is minus 3x cube. Then minus 2 into minus 3x, that is plus 2 plus 6x plus 6x. Now change the sign, plus minus 3x cube plus 3x cube will be 0, plus x square plus 6x minus 6x again 0 and minus 2. Now x square minus 2 is our new dividend. Now divide the first term of the new dividend, x square, by the first term of the divisor, that is x square. So the answer is 1. This is the third term of the quotient, plus 1. Now multiply x square with 1, so x square into 1, x square. Then minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Again change the sign, x square minus x square 0, minus 2 plus 2 again 0. So this is the qx quotient, this is the divisor, that is g of x, and this is the dividend, that is p of x. Now we know that dividend, that is p of x, is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is the division algorithm. Okay, here we have dividend p of x is equal to divisor, that is x square minus 2, into quotient, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now we will factorize of this polynomial. So by the factorization, we know that we have to use splitting the middle term method. Okay, we need to split the middle term, that is minus 3x. So for that we will find the product of the first term and the third term, that is 2x square. Now find the factors of 2, that is 1 2 are 2, only one factor is possible. Now we will split the middle term. So we know that first term, the third term as it is. Now minus 3x, so we will use this pair 1 and 2. Minus 2x minus x is minus 3x. Now find the common from the first two terms, that is 2x into x minus 1. Now from the last two terms, the common is minus 1, so into bracket x minus 1. Now the common term is x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. So the zeros will be x is equal to 1 or x is equal to plus 1 by 2. These are the two other zeros. Now we can factorize this polynomial, that is x square minus 2. This equation is in the form of a square minus b square. So the factors of this polynomial will be x minus root 2 into x plus root 2. So the zeros of this polynomial will be x is equal to plus root 2 or x is equal to minus root 2. These two zeros are given in the equation, and x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. These are the two remaining zeros.